Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix activate Windows. Go to setting to activate Windows. So this is a watermark and I will show you quickly how you can fix this issue. So let's start. Step number 1, just go to the Windows search and type services here. Open the services as admin. Now press anywhere on it and press S on your keyboard to look for software protection. Double click on it and start the service here. If it is already running, then you can stop it once and then you can start it. Apply the changes and restart it once and see if the issue is fixed or not. If still not, then we can go to the step number 2. Click on system and then click on settings. Now look for your Windows activation tab which is showing up here. So even we can search here activation settings. Now you will see here troubleshoot. So click on troubleshoot and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If that is still not able to fix the issue, so we can move on to next step now. So click on your system services, type here troubleshoot setting, open the troubleshoot setting here, other troubleshooter, and now look for Windows update. Run this Windows update due to the recent Windows can corrupt your system registry and files, and that is the reason you are facing this issue. Apply these changes guys and I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed. If your issue is still not resolved, then what you can do is you can open the command prompt here and type here this command sfc /scan now. And once this command is completed and all the steps are followed on your system, just make a restart your system and issue should be fixed. So this is the video guys and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.